Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Safari could not install profile due to unknown error on iPhone. So go back to your screen, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to your settings. Make sure that your internet connection is powerful, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually powerful. Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the screen time. In the screen time, you're gonna scroll a little bit down to the content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and make sure that you shut down content and privacy restrictions. That should fix your problem. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back to the main settings, go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to the software update, and make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version. As you can see right here, there is a new update, so make sure that you quickly get that done. So now go back to the general, and then go ahead to the VPN and device management. Make sure that you disconnect the VPN if connected. Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go back, right, and then basically to the main settings, and then scroll a little bit down to the Safari, right, and then basically what you're gonna do is scroll a little bit down till you find the option to clear history and website data. And after you click on it, you gotta just go ahead and see pop-up window, clear history, and basically that should fix your problem. If it didn't, go scroll a little bit down, click advanced, and then click the website data, and then you're gonna continue to delete all of the information, all of the search history on your Safari. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.